Hi, I'm Randy Schatz, the Operations Manager for IRBY Tool and Safeties Testing Laboratories. I want to give you just a brief overview of the processes that we follow as we test and recertify your gloves and sleeves and other rubber goods as they come through the laboratory. The first step in the process is to inventory. We need to identify every glove and sleeve that the customer sends in, as well as all the unique features of that glove. There are several different variations. There could be color variations, for example. There's different voltage classifications, anything from something that can withstand 500 volts up to a class 4 glove that can stand 36,000 volts. There's different cuff styles. This, for example, is a bell cuff, how it bows out. This is considered a straight cuff where it goes straight. All of those variations need to be identified on the testing report, which then follows that glove or sleeve through the testing laboratory and back to the customer to ensure that they're getting back the material that they sent in. After the inventory process, the next step is to clean. For the cleaning process, the first thing that we do is we remove the old certification stamp that we placed on the glove the last time it was in the laboratory. After that, if the glove is dirty, such as this one is, we'll also clean that up a little bit, put them in the washing machine, put them in the dryer, and bring them over for visual inspection. We are a NAIL certified lab, which means that we have to follow NAIL accreditation procedures. As far as a visual inspection, that requires that we do a visual inspection on the inside and outside of every glove and every sleeve that we test. They're put on an inflator and inflated, which helps to identify items which could make that glove not safe, such as that scuff right there, which we've identified. Other than that, we check in between the fingers, down along sides, again making sure the entire surface, both inside and outside of that glove or sleeve, is good. This is a 3-finger mitten right here, a little bit of a unique creature that we have up in the Northland. This right here is a standard 5-finger glove. This is a low voltage glove. This is only good for 1,000 volts. Again, the procedure is the same. We inspect the inside and outside of every glove and every sleeve to ensure that there are no defects that could render that glove or sleeve unsafe. After the visual inspection, we bring it over here for electrical testing. Depending on the customer's instructions, some want us to automatically replace anything that fails. We use the manufacturer's barcode. We scan the item into the customer's order to ensure accuracy on the part of the order and to maintain our inventory accurate. After we enter the replacement items in the order, we bring the customer's gloves over for electrical testing. Every glove and every sleeve is hung inside a testing machine on these oversized clothespins. After the gloves and sleeves are hung, the operator goes to the control panel, verifies the voltage that the gloves or sleeves are supposed to be tested at, and presses the start button. When the operator presses start, the testing machine fills the glove with water and dips it down into the tank of water. At that point, we perform a 3-minute electrical test, attempting to pass current through that glove. As long as that glove can withstand that test, its dielectrical properties are intact and it will protect the worker. After the 3-minute test is up, the machine will automatically reset. It'll raise that carriage back up, after which the operator will remove the gloves from the tester. They'll dump the water out and they'll place the gloves in the dryer for drying. After the drying, they're brought over for shipping back to the customer. To prepare the gloves for shipment back to the customer, they're paired up by size and into pairs of lefts and rights. One of the last things that we do is we affix our certification stamp on the glove indicating that it was tested at IRBY's testing lab, the date that it was tested, and also the maximum voltage that that glove can safely be used at out in the field. After we've done all that, we box it up, package it up, and send it back to the customer in the same method that they sent it to us.